Meet the next evolution of the original noise-canceling headphones, the Bose QuietComfort Headphones 2nd Gen. In this video, we'll help you set up your headphones. Inside the box, you'll find your Bose QuietComfort headphones, a protective carry case, a USB-C charging cable, and a USB-C to 3.5mm auxiliary cable. Now let's set up your headphones. On the left ear cup, slide the Bluetooth power switch to the center to power on the headphones for the first time. After a few seconds, you'll hear a tone, and the status light blinks blue to indicate it's in pairing mode. If your headphones aren't in this state, or to connect additional devices in the future, slide the Bluetooth power switch forward toward the Bluetooth icon and hold until you hear a tone or the status light pulses blue. You can store up to 6 devices in the headphones device list, and the headphones can be actively connected to 2 devices at a time. You can connect your headphones within the Bluetooth settings on your mobile device or with Fast Pair on supported Android devices. However, to fully enjoy all the features of your headphones, adjust settings, and receive future software updates, you'll need to download the Bose app. To quickly find the app, just scan the QR code inside the box. Once it's finished installing, open the app and then choose to sign in or sign up for a My Bose account, or opt to do this later. On the My Products screen, tap the plus button. A scan will begin searching for your headphones. Once they appear, tap Connect, and then tap Pair. Follow the remaining app instructions to finish setting up your headphones. Once connected, the status light glows solid blue for 5 seconds. In addition to wireless audio playback over Bluetooth, your headphones offer 2 options for wired listening. First, use the included USB-C to 3.5mm audio cable to listen to a source device when a Bluetooth connection isn't available. Connect the cable to the USB-C port on the right ear cup, then connect the other end to the 3.5mm headphone jack on your source device. The headphones must be powered on to use this cable. In this configuration, the Bluetooth connection and microphone voice pickup on the ear cups are disabled, so media playback and phone calls must be controlled on your source device. You can still switch listening modes using the action button. Next, your headphones also support high-fidelity lossless audio over USB. Connect one end of the USB-C cable to the USB-C port on the right ear cup. Then connect the other end to a USB-C port on your source device. The headphones must be powered on for you to use this cable. To switch to your USB audio source, slide the Bluetooth power switch forward and release.
USB audio.
When listening to USB audio, your Bluetooth connection remains active, so you can continue to control settings like noise cancellation and EQ from the Bose app. And because USB audio is two-way, the same cable that sends lossless sound to your headphones also carries your microphone back out, so you can take calls or hop on a video chat with clear audio flowing in both directions. The same USB-C cable also charges your headphones. Connect one end of the USB-C cable to the USB-C port on the right ear cup, and then connect the other end to a USB-C power source such as a computer or wall charger. The status light glows amber while charging, and then glows solid white when fully charged. Allow up to 3 hours to fully charge the headphones. If you're ever running low, a 15-minute charge powers the headphones for up to 2.5 hours. A full charge powers the headphones for up to 24 hours with noise cancellation on and immersive audio off, or up to 18 hours with both noise cancellation and immersive audio set to on. Additionally, you can keep listening to audio over Bluetooth or USB even while it charges. Just note that charging is slower when the headphones are in use. When you're finished listening, slide the Bluetooth power switch backward to power the headphones off. Additionally, within the settings of the Bose app, you'll find the Auto Off preference. By default, it's set to Never, but you can choose to power off your headphones automatically after a set period of time with no audio playing. For easy storage, rotate both ear cups inward so they lay flat. Slide the ear cups up into the headband, and then fold in the left ear cup. Now place the headphones flat into the case and you're all set. For additional support, visit our website or watch another video.